I met Dalai Lama few times. I try to listen to Dalai Lama. We have to take in responsibility, every human being, to do something on this earth. What I like music, I like making movies. I'm listening to the Dalai Lama. But the Dalai Lama teaching many things, I can follow everything, is right? My name is Amchok Gompo Dhondup. I'm a professional film director, musician. I compose modern music for the Tibetan young generation and one classical or healing music for human beings who are looking for the happiness. Relaxing music. Relaxing music means healing. My first film called Unpredictable Life is about how woman is beautiful. Everybody has kindness, warm heart, but those things naturally come from mother. This song is called I Miss My Mom. My parents, they are living in Tibetan. They are nomad. They're looking for yak and horses, sheep. My parents never support me. They're always against me. You know, they say music never give you food. So you have to follow us. That's why you have to do nomad. My father went to take my instrument, broken the guitar. So I'm cry whole days. Then 17 years old, then I left my parents. I just go to the city, Lhasa, capital city, Tibetan. Then I'm learning other people's songs. This is the first time I'm on the stage. I'm so scary, nervous. Banfu Cultural Center, they invite me for cultural music celebration. Then I didn't go back to Tibet. I think it's 2005. I love this country. I decided I want to stay here. I want more learning music. I have to take this chance, then try to share my beautiful culture for other people. So now I'm very happy.